so that we get maximum excitation wavelength. Yeah, it's around here. You can you can just do it by yourself. You can see.
Okay.
Do you want to try this?
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Change
Just go down and then
go down, go up until you find the maximum fluorescence.
How do we know this is maximum?
By your eyes.
Oh.
Yeah.
I think the maximum is around here.
Okay.
That's 400.
Around
420. No, 430.
430. Yeah, it's around there.
Yeah. Here you read it.
Okay. Another way is you can, if you cannot turn off the light, you just do it this way.
Yeah.
Use your hand to share the light, then you can read. Okay. Okay. Then we will close the lid and set up the excitation slit to 2 millimeter, and also set up the emission slit to 0.2 millimeter. And we will detect the maximum emission wavelength. For this, before we open the shutter, we'll make sure the percent full scale is 100.
Okay, so after we set these slits, then we put the 100% full scale
to 100, yeah, to be least sensitive, because we have no idea how strong the sample is. Then we will open the shutter. We will change the wavelength a little bit. We found that the needle doesn't move at all, so we just change the percentage scale, increase some sensitivity. Still doesn't work. Okay. Okay, let me choose 3. Okay. 3 seems good. Or we can just choose 1. 1 seems too strong, so let's choose 3.
Okay.
Choose 3, and so because we already know that excitation wavelength, emission wavelength is longer than excitation wavelength, so we just change it from 440 to 5 to higher one until we get the maximum. Okay, it seems here we get the maximum. Okay, once we get the maximum emission wavelength, we will change the excitation wavelength until we get the maximum excitation wavelength. Okay, now we get the maximum excitation and emission wavelength. We can remember all these figures, then we will begin our measurement. So we close the shutter and put the excitation slit to 1 millimeter and the emission slit to 0.5 millimeter, and change our sample to blank. Yeah, because before the measurement we will set up this.
Why did we change the slit
to
back to 1?
To back to 1. This on your lab note. Lab note. Okay. Close the lid. And because this is the blank, we want the needles to be 0 even at the highest sensitivity. So we put it to 0.1 and open the shutter and adjust the blank adjust to 0. Now it's 0. Now it's okay. We close the shutter. After we set up 0 by the blank, we'll put the first sample inside. Now
you can set the wavelength with any tube, right? This wavelength you can set with any tube.
Wavelength, theoretically we can set it with any tube, but we want to use the highest, the one with the highest fluorescence. So we just pick this one. So we put the first sample inside. Okay. First, because we already set up the 0 with the blank. Now we need to with the very first sample, we need to put close the shutter and put the person full scale to 100 because
Okay.
we don't know
How strong it is.
yeah how strong it is. So we close the shutter